Hello, my name is Ralph, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add post or blog post in your website using WordPress. So let's get into the video. So first of all, if you want to add blog post to your website, what you must have is your own website and make sure that it's managed by WordPress. And also in my case, I'm going to use Elementor in editing the content of the blog post that I'm going to make. So once you have those important things that you must have in creating a blog post, what you must do is to go to your dashboard of your website and go to the posts here and add post, this one. And once you're here in this page, you're going to put the title of your blog post here. And in my case, I already have the title for my blog post. And I'm just going to paste it here. There you go. So after this, what you're going to do is to publish it. Click publish right here. And once you're here, you will be given an option if you want to make it visible right away by the public. And in my case, maybe I'll just put it in private because I don't want the algorithm crawling right away to the post that I created while it's not complete or completed yet. It might affect the ranking of my blog post. So right now, I'm just going to make it in private. All right. And then after this, I'm just going to save it. And then once it's saved, I can go back to the post here. So now I can see it here that my post is already created, or my blog, or at least the title for my blog is already created. Now, what I need to do next is to create a content body um, of the blog post. So what I need to do is to click this, and then, like what I've said earlier, I'm using Elementor to edit the content of my blog post. So I'm going to edit it with Elementor. Then sure leave. And then from here, as you can see, I'm using a theme already for my website. And you can choose any theme of your website that you're going to use. So in my case, I already have chosen a theme for my website, and I'm just going to proceed with that theme. And now I'm going to add the content. So now I'm going to add headings, text headings, and I will make sure this is H2 because we already have an H1, this one. So this will become an H2. So what I'm going to do next is put the content of my page, and make sure it's not like this. Don't do this. Make sure it's in paragraph form, not in H1 or H2. And there you go. I already have the first paragraph of my website. And I'm just going to continue this and make sure the structure of my post is correct. Like there's an H1, there's an H2, basically making sure the structure of your blog post is correct. So next is I'm going to add again. Um, this should be an H2 because this is a subtopic. There you go. new one, which I'm going to add text paragraph. And then I'm going to add this as a paragraph here. There you go. And I'm just going to continue this over and over again until I completed the content for my blog post. You can do this with me as you are watching, so you will be able to familiarize yourself. So there, here, it should be H2, and this one, making sure this is just paragraph form, and here it's going to add this right here, making sure this is paragraph form, and then again. Now also we can add text heading here, or much better if it's a text editor, it will be much appropriate for the body of your subtopic. So there, from here I'm going to do it that way, and I'm just going to edit it later. So here, text heading, it's a broken cycle, and maybe I'm just going to duplicate it. So what I did here is I just duplicated this container. I just duplicated this, and then I just, when it was already duplicated, I just moved it here, and then I just edited the content of it. So yeah, you can do that too to save time. And then again, I'm going to add text heading. Text heading is usually used to um, it's usually used for H1, H2, H3, and text editor is usually used for the body, the paragraph that you're going to write in your blog post. It's more appropriate. So this is my final thought, and it says no sugar coating, real talk. All right, and then I'm just going to put this here. So this time what I'm going to do is duplicate this. All right, and now I'm just going to move it here, and then I'm going to copy the content of this. All right, I'm going to copy, go here, and then paste it. Now I can delete this now because just like what I've said earlier, using text editor for the body of your content is better than using heading, and that's what I'm going to do too here. All right, so I'm going to duplicate it, and then there, I'm going to copy this again. All right, and then what I'm going to do is paste it here, so I can replace the content of this one. Delete this one too, and this should be here. This should be deleted as well, and the content of this should be in this. erase this, delete the whole thing. There you go. So now we have a blog post for our website, and all I need to do now is just to publish it. Now I'm going to make sure that it is posted. I'm just going to look at it, make sure it's on my website, but it's not public yet. So what I need to do is edit and then make sure to change the status of it to published. All right. All right. Now to make sure I can see this, I should visit my website, my actual website, and there you go. It is already posted here without the images yet, but this is how you create new blog post to your website. And yeah, I'm using table of contents for all of my articles because it also helps with SEO. It helps the algorithm to crawl your posts easier. So it helps in indexing, crawling, and ranking of your posts. I hope I have given you an idea of how to create new blog posts by watching this video. Thank you and see you next time.